Hello, Namaskar. How are you all? I wish you a very happy new year. I am Devasis, your friend, back again with my YouTube channel, Divine Life. As you all know, a year back we have started our journey on YouTube, discussing about philosophy and various other topics about life and Vastu, astrology, and lots of things. But you cannot understand this because you cannot understand any Indian language. Uh, One day, a friend of mine she messaged me that she hoped she could understand Hindi. Considering that message, we have decided to make some videos in English as well, so that you can understand. As you all know, we are helping people in numerology, getting their names done, getting their name corrected, and getting their lucky numbers and various other things. We are helping a person, proper guidance we are giving through numerology. We are helping people through Vastu. We are helping people through Rudraksh choices and all. Now we have started teaching all these modalities as well. Yes, so we have started conducting some classes on numerology. We are teaching numerology now, and we are teaching it online. We are teaching it one-on-one basis. So at any point of time you want to know about this science, you want to know about numerology, you can connect with us. At the same time, you all are fascinated. I have seen you all are fascinated with Rudraksh. So we have made a very beautiful, module on Rudraksh as well. You can join us in that, and we can help you to understand Rudraksh more deeply about the history, benefits, and usage, and maintenance and all. So we can help you. We can help you in that as well. So I hope to see you soon in my other videos, in my live classes. And Namaskar, stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon in my other channel.